In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when a game won't launch or open on your Xbox Series S or X or Xbox One. So the first thing you want to do is go to My Games and Apps at the top and scroll down to Manage Queue and open up the queue. Now, if the game you're trying to launch is currently installing an update, that's why you can't open it. But if you don't see it down here, the first thing you want to do is press and hold the X button on your controller and restart your console. Then you want to try and open up the game and see if it works. And if not, you have two options from here. The first option is you uninstall the game. So let's say Fortnite. I'd press the start button on the Xbox controller, go to manage games and add-ons, and then go to uninstall all, and then go back to the Microsoft Store and reinstall it and try and open it. Now, if you don't want to delete your game, the other alternative is to go to settings in the top right corner and scroll down and go to system and go to console info and reset console. Now you're going to be prompted with two options, and before pressing anything, this is going to bring you to that setup when you first got your console where you have to sign into your Xbox account and answer a lot of questions. But if you wanted to try this, select reset and keep my games and apps, and that could potentially fix your issue as well. So once you're back at the home menu, try and launch the game and see if it works. If not, you may have to delete it and reinstall it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.